lamdam asida mahosagi tangdu leitaba fibam hanjilhannabagi thabak thoram singda khundaminariba Phurup Khudingmakna saugatminaba mathau tai haina President Draupadi Murmuna fongdokre wafam masing asi Senapati Multi-Purpose Hall da pangthokpa President Draupadi Murmu taramna okpagaloinena tongan ba chawkhat thaurangi project kaya urep uyung tamba amasung sangabagi thauramda mahakna fongdokkibani Manipurgi Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala yauna pangthokkiba thauram aduda President Draupadi Murmu hai lamdam asigi tribal Phurup singgi ikai khumnaba security amadi chawkhatnanabagi kudong chaba fanghanba amadi leipak asigi chawkhatpada mapungfana saruk yahanba haibasi leipaki pandamni Manipur da paikhalakliba chawkhat thaurangi thabak thauram sing asina mipum khudingmak konsinba amasung tung koina chatnaba yananaba India laingakna CSO amasung Phurup singgi naksinana thabak tawminari Manung Hanjinba tribal gi mafam sing chawkhatnanaba India laingakna akhanaba mityeng thamlaga thabak tawri haukiba chahi khara asida National Highway amasung khungangi lambi sing analayeng mahima sing thaknanaba afaba ising amadi mai fanghanba yauna tongan ba hiramda sel thadabadagi ngasidi Manipur da leiriba chingi district singda chauna kanaba fangle hingnabagi amadi senthok lambi lainanaba skill training piba self help group semba amadi Bandan Gumba scheme kayana miyam ki punshi thak wangkhatna hingba ngamle haina mahakna fongdoki President Draupadi Murmu na makhata na fongdoki bada Manipur da uwa fangliba tongan ba makhal gi khenaba sing nat lol amasung chanabi sing asina lamdam asigi pangal oiribani fajaraba lamdam amagi nakal ani gumna ching amasung tamgi miyoi singna madam pumna makta amana amagi mateng pangnari mahusa gi tangdu leitaba fibam hanjilhannaba wakhal tanabagi thabak singda khundaminariba Phurup Khudingmakna saugatminaba mathau tai Manipur gi miyam chawkhatnaba amasung nungai yaifanaba India laingakna thabak paikhatli Shanti leiba amasung chawkhatpa Manipur amagidamak ekoi makhata na thabak Tauminagadabani haina President Draupadi Murmuna makhatana fongdoki pangthokiba thauram aduga mari lenana Senapati districta paikhatkiba tongan ba chawkhat thaurangi project taru President Draupadi Murmuna sangakhibaga loinana nauna paikhatkadaba project mangagi urep uyung sutamki loinana particularly vulnerable tribe group ki manung chanba maram tribe ki luchingba singasu unaduna wari sanaki amadi irang asina maram oiraga relief camp da changjafam lauriba lanjenariba singa unaduna wari watai sanaki amaromda Senapati da pangthokpa thauram asi loiraba matungda numit nini gi khongchatta Manipur da lakhibi President Draupadi Murmu ngasi nungtil pung ama khara helakpa aduwaida Imphal gi Bir Tikenderjit International Airport gi Indian Air Force ki akhanaba flight amada Manipur thadoki
The Government of India is committed to ensure that development reaches every corner of the country. The government is giving special attention to the development of remote tribal regions. In recent years, the hill districts of Manipur have benefited from focused investments in areas such as road and bridge connectivity, including national highways and rural roads, healthcare, education, drinking water and electricity supply. Livelihood programs such as skill training, SSGs and Bandhan are improving the quality of life of people. These efforts are a reflection of the government's commitment to supporting tribal communities while respecting their unique identity and traditions. I am happy to have inaugurated various development programs. I am confident that these projects will contribute to strengthening education, security, healthcare and community infrastructure of the area. I am also happy to have laid the foundation stones for institutional buildings. I hope that on completion, these initiatives will improve lives of thousands of families in the area and bring essential services closer to remote communities.